This week on Fly Rod Chronicles, my family and I are down at Argentina waters in the Patagonia Mountains with lodge owners G-Man and Laura. While we're there, we meet up with the Slovic family and go fly fishing with their two boys. This is one awesome family fly fishing show you won't want to miss, so stick around. Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man, and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles. A little over 2 years ago, Autumn and I, we went on a dream trip together. Seychelles is very high on any bucket list of an avid fly fisherman's list. We went over there with our buddy, Ricky Loco, and it's just something that, GT was on my list, but the Seychelles was really high on our list. As soon as we got there, we met the Slovic family, and it was something that there was just an instant bond. It was something that, like, we knew them. We felt like we knew them forever.
It was super cool because when we landed, actually when we got to the airport in Mahe and we were going to Alphonse, you get into a little tiny waiting room and there are these people in here that we'd never seen, never met. And they immediately were super personable. We started talking to them, and we didn't know that we were going to have like one of the greatest weeks of our life, fishing for GTs and bonefish and triggers with an amazing set of folks from Africa. We killed it that week fishing, had a great time. I think they got a couple awesome shows out of it. And later on now, we've passed through COVID and whatnot, or we're still in it, who knows. But they invited us to come down here to Argentina waters and join them for a week here at this Lafaria Lodge.
Attaboy. 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 Way to go, Stratton. Nice.
That's what it was. We had to speak Spanish. I guess.
See? See?
Por favor, señorita.
Senor.
Oh, it's a nice fish.
Good fish. See? Attaboy. Oh, a good fish.
Rainbow.
A nice rainbow.
In the mix.
Stratton, you the man.
Yeah.
High five.
Very
You the
good.
man.
Very good.
Nice, buddy.
Good job, Stratton.
Nice job. Oh,
Woo!
nice.
Beauty.
Look here, look at the white right here. Look at that. Nice.
Caminando, sembrando camino por el mundo del rey. Toda la cosa que he encontrado, todo el amor obsesionado. Vida por la línea de la costa, escucho la belleza de tu risa. Nunca jamás te dejo de mi vista. Siempre listo, siempre dispuesta. Sin parar, sin parar, parar. Sin parar, sin parar, parar. Sembrando el amor sin parar.
No, I'm just making sure I'm standing good. Woo! Got the skunk off. Break out the champagne. Better not be a whitefish. Oh no, that's a good looking trout right there. Woohoo! We did it! Yeah! We did it! You Argentinian fish, you, I was gonna catch you. He ate the worm.
Sin parar, sin parar, sin parar, sin parar, sin parar, sin parar.
You know, being a family of fly fishermen, and it's pride for us that, especially me as a father, to know that I raised 2 daughters and they're known as, you know, hey, you guys grew up as a family of fly fishing, and we get to travel the world and we get to see great places and some of the most beautiful places of fly fishing. To meet the Slovics, to see and meet them, that they have raised their sons, and they travel the entire world. I mean, they spent 52 weeks meeting, you know, traveling at 52 different destinations, fly fishing. And then, you know, here we are out on a glacier lake, and I'm looking over at my family, and here we are catching fish, and now they're over there, and we got our film crew following them, and they're catching fish. And it's like God just said, all right, let's put these guys together and let's have fun. It was meant to be. Let's go do a really cool show at Argentina Waters.
Wait. Bottom one?
You take your one, okay? Don't leave the room. Yes!
Yay! Finally.
Finally!
You are kidding me. Wow, that's one of those, oh, I'm reeling it in to change the fly catches. Oh, that is silly. It's actually a nice fish too. Now, even the smaller fish are still pretty big here. Ooh, jeez. You're ready, I'm ready. Ready? Here it comes. That's awesome and hilarious at the same time.
So on some of these trips, we meet these awesome families and we don't really get to see them again, or you know, we're catching up on social media. So it was really cool with the Slovics that we were able to go to another place and share Argentina waters with them.
Autumn, good hook set. We had a double one. Audie's connecting. Is Autumn gonna connect? Is she breathing? Is she breathing? Ooh! Look at that fish, would you? Oh, bottom fly, G-man.
Butterfly.
Bottom fly. Look at that fish, how pretty.
Nice ring.
Wonder if Autumn's nervous. Oh, I think she's nervous. She takes it to the other side of the boat. It is a fat fish. Ooh, ooh. Autumn in the boat. In the boat, a little hand smack in here.
Yeah.
That a girl.
Beautiful.
Huh?
Beautiful. Oh, what a beauty. I'm so happy.
Yeah, you should.
Ooh,
Good
we
job.
deserved this, didn't we?
Very good.
Hey, G-Man, thank
Hey,
you.
welcome. Very good.
That was
Good job.
awesome.
Oh, nice, nice, nice. Very nice. Good call, my man, G-Man. We're back in action. He's talking me through it again. He said, strip, strip, set the hook, set the hook. My man, G-Man.
Good.
Thank you, G-Man. You called the nymph. You called the nymph, huh?
Good. Cut the knee.
Thank you. I'm
Screw your rainbow.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah. So as Argentina Waters is putting out photos, as our social media back home is putting out photos, I can sit here and name the people of how can I book this trip? How can I come to Argentina Waters? Curtis, how much is it? How can I get down there? It is a bucket list trip, but it's also a trip that you'll keep coming back to. It truly, as a friend of mine that is a chief of police back home, he used words like paradise. Truly, it is paradise. It's a place that you can come down as an expert fisherman, you can come down as a person that's never fished before and truly have a great time. They have waters that you can fish on a lake and throw at fish and again, be that person that has never fished before. Or they can challenge you at some of the most technical waters in the world. You know, truly, this is a trip all the way from, you know, their cuisine. And it's not just the Argentinian cuisine. You know, these people come, you know, from France with their cuisine. They bring to you an atmosphere that's just amazing. And they pride themselves in making you feel at home and feeling that touch of what South America is all about.
So yesterday was a great day because we had the opportunity that while this is a family trip, we were able to give the opportunity to the kids and the wives to go on the horseback riding trip up to the volcano. And they were super excited about that. That also meant that Curtis and I had a chance to just fish, the two of us, on one of the most beautiful rivers I've ever seen.
I was hoping there was going to be a day where Steve and I got to hang out, and that day came. It was like all the kids got to go on a horseback adventure, and Steve and I got to go out and float one of the most beautiful rivers maybe that I've really honestly ever been on. And to hear Steve, you know, in his travels to say at one point, like, gosh, this is like paradise. This is one of the most beautiful rivers I've ever been on.
Yeah, baby. There it is. Oh, come on. I don't think I can stretch my arm anymore. We just, come on, keep the slack. Keep the slack, keep the slack. Oh, thank you. Oh, baby. Come on. All right, we're going. He's on his last run, I think.
Yeah?
I think that was his last one. I think he's ready to come in. Oh yeah, oh. Woohoo! Good work, baby. We did it. Just pounding that bank over and over again finally yields the fish. There he goes. Good fish, Joe. Okay. Good fish. Oh man, he's a runner. He's a runner. He's a runner. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Jesus whiz.
Oh,
Look how gorgeous.
my God.
That girl.
when we're thinking about make a lodge in Patagonia with Laura, it was our dream. It was my dream first, and Laura coming back me to push me to do it. Well, we try to host the people like in home. We try to make the people be happy and to feel they are in home. And I think that is one of the best and the more important things about Lefario, about lodging, about enjoying the day here and the dinners. And then, well, the fishing, we are located in a very good place, in a very good area. We fish all the water in the national park, Los Alerces National Park. And, well, we have a very good trout here. We have rainbows, browns, brookies, and landlocked salmon. Some days the fishing is fantastic, some days a little more tough, but that's fishing. But we are sitting in a very good place in Patagonia to fish in Patagonia.
Well, when we decided with Gonzalo to build this lodge, this lodge is not only our job, but it's our life. So we try to enjoy every day, every moment here. We love hosting people, we love talking to people, meeting people from many different places, and we love that they feel home here.
There we go. Oh, jumping fish, bee fish, huh? I like it. It's a TV. Nice call. In the hole, in the hole. Brian, he wants to come up and be on TV. And you tied that fly, huh? Look here. Oh.
Strong fish.
Oh, look at that. Oh, beauty. Beauty. Ready? Here he is. Oh. And here he is to you. I had him, and you're going to miss your chance. And you missed. All right. Good job. Good call. Hey, good call, my man. In the hole. So, Brian. So, hey, another good rainbow, huh?
Yeah.
So this comes out of the lake. The lake's called right here.
Yeah, it's the Rivadavia Lake.
Yeah.
And we are now in the Rivadavia River.
Right.
Okay.
And you did again. We switched to hopper dropper. We caught one stripping on the. We were stripping.
Yeah, depending of the spot, we tried with sinking line.
Right.
And nice streamers, but now we're using nymph, okay, and dry dropper. It's working very good.
Yes, it is. Yeah,
Okay?
yeah. Every.
Midge larp.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
What a
Yeah.
heck.
You know, these shows is our 20th season. We're the longest running fly fishing show. No one has done that. It's really special for me. And I owe that to my family because it's not just a fishing show. And I think if I was just a guy on the boat, I don't think our show would still be on the air. And it makes me warm inside. It makes me want to tear up. And when I go and talk about Fly Rod Chronicles, the last word of that is Chronicles. And the last word of that is in our Bible. And Chronicles tells a story. And it just, again, I think it talks about why our show has been going for 20 years.